Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com here for ntmarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, 30-minute chart of the ES, and I talked about this chart last night in the evening recap, and this is the one I had out on Twitter yesterday, and we're going to keep expanding on this as we go. What's important to note now is that after establishing, I said bulls want these to be matching lows. That's what we had here. Matching lows of the 42s. We had the bounce target of 53, which failed again in the overnight here, but now they've broken through this morning, okay? What you would like to see if you're a bull is you'd like to see that 53.50 area tested as support. If this 53.50 area, and you've got the daily pivot here just below it, so 53.54 tested as support. If that happens, then you've essentially got the bulls pretty much have clear sailing to come up and test the 65 to 67 area as resistance. And what I had talked about yesterday morning and what I've been talking to my subscribers about is that it looks like we may want to be in a trading range, which is fine. Trading ranges are great to trade. That's why they call them trading ranges. You've got 42 on the down. So far, it looks like 65 to 67 wants to be the upside. Do I think maybe this 77 really wants to be the top of the range? I don't know. That would be a pretty wide range. 30 handle range, pretty wide. 20 handle range is a little more realistic. So we're going to have to see what happens if 53.54 is support and if we can head up to 65, 67. And if we test, if we test 65, 67, then we'll see what happens. If it proves to be resistance again, then what we're going to start to see on the daily chart is, let me back out. You're going to start to see the bands get tighter and tighter, okay, if we continue to trade in a tighter range. And that will lead, obviously, to volatility expansion. Whether that's expansion down or expansion up, we won't know. But what we'll do is what we did back here. Wait for a break, whether it's up or down, and then go ahead and ride it because it can go a lot farther than anyone would suspect. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. Check us out on Twitter at Princeton Trader. We'll have some charts up, some other stuff today. Check out the website. Come check out the chat room. We would love to have you. I'll be out tonight with an evening recap and back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.